Assalamu alaikum class 4. It's our 11th lecture of English A. So today we are going to study New Oxford Modern English book 4. First of all, open page number 34. At the top of the page mention the date. Poem number 3, Layer. So this poem is about a free time. Like what we do in our free time. What's to know? Bow, a branch, broad, hair full, comma open, care, a worry, something that takes all our attention and causes us to worry. Enrich, to make rich, to improve the quality of something. Glance, a quick look. Stare, to look directly at something for a long time. So now we will start the poem. What is this life if full of care? We have no time to stand and stare. So, this line saying that what is this life if it is full of care? And we have no time to stand and stare. Like we have no time to see anything or to stand for something. Care mean ख्याल करना, stare mean घूरना. No time to stand beneath the boughs and stare as long as sheep or cows. So, like we have no time to stand beneath the boughs of the trees, and we have no time to stare as long as sheep or cows enjoy the nature. Beneath mean नीचे, boughs mean शाख. No time to see when woods we pass, where squirrels hide their nuts in grass, and we have no time to see the woods we pass through, and we have no time to saw the squirrel where they hide their nuts in grass. Squirrels mean gulehri. No times to see in broad daylight, stream full of stars like skies at night. So, we have no times to see the broad daylight. Like we are that much busy that we can't see the broad daylight. And stream full of stars like skies at night, and we are unable to see the stars at night. No time to turn at beauty's glance and watch her feet how they can dance, and we are unable to turn at beauty glance and to watch her feet how they can dance. Glance mean nazar. No time to wait till her mouth can enrich that smile her eyes began. So we have no time to wait till her mouth can smile and her eyes begin. Enrich mean meari banana. A poor life this is, if full of care. We have no time to stand and stare. So this line saying that we are living a poor life if it is full of care, and we have no time to stand and stare to see and enjoy the nature. So this is the end of poem number 3. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.